Ultimate chicken wrap. Welcome, let's wrap. Add butter to the pan. Spring onions with a touch of fresh chili. Add shrimps and salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. Add organic ham and salt for 2 minutes. Basil for aromatic flavors and freshness. Tender chicken, simmered with aromatic spices. Add shredded chicken and salt for flavor. Drizzle sesame oil for nutty flavor and aroma. A teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness. Simmer 3 minutes to meld flavors and aromas. Spread yogurt cream on flatbread. Pile on chicken, shrimp, and ham. Add feta for extra flavor. Add baby plum tomatoes. Add fresh, crunchy vegetables. Drizzle organic sour cream and wrap flatbread. Ultimate wrap.